In 2025, one of the most exciting ways to build passive income is by creating digital assets that work for you around the clock. Imagine waking up in the morning to see that while you slept, your work was earning you money, without needing you to actively show up every single day. This is the power of digital content creation. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, whether it's personal finance, health, productivity, or even gaming. Once you find your focus, you can begin building digital products like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or templates. These are assets that you create once and sell over and over again, with zero inventory and almost no overhead costs. For example, if you're good at organizing or planning, you can create digital planners or spreadsheets and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. If you love teaching, you can design a simple online course that helps others learn a valuable skill, like mastering Excel, cooking quick meals, or learning a language. Once your course is uploaded to a marketplace like Udemy or Teachable, it becomes a passive source of income that generates revenue every time someone enrolls. The beauty of this approach in 2025 is that the tools for creation have become incredibly intuitive and accessible. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional designer. You can design beautiful presentations, edit videos, write compelling content, and build attractive landing pages with just a few clicks. The key to success here lies in automation. Use platforms that handle delivery, customer service, and updates automatically. You set it up once, and the system takes care of the rest. Over time, as you build more products and grow your audience, your income begins to stack, all without trading more hours for money. So if you're looking for a modern, scalable way to earn money passively in 2025, digital creation is the way forward. You're not just selling a product, you're creating a digital engine that works for you every day of the year. That's the future of passive income, smart, scalable, and entirely on your terms. In 2025, one of the most reliable and time-tested ways to build passive income is through dividend growth investing. This strategy involves buying shares of companies that not only pay dividends but also consistently increase those dividend payments year after year. Let's break it down. When you buy stock in a company that pays dividends, you're essentially getting paid a portion of that company's profits on a regular basis, usually every quarter. Now, imagine owning shares in a company that raises its dividend payout every year. Over time, your income from that investment grows, even if you don't buy more shares. The magic of dividend growth investing lies in compound interest. If you choose to reinvest your dividends instead of cashing them out, those dividends buy more shares, and those shares earn even more dividends. It's a snowball effect that accelerates as the years go by. In 2025, more investors are turning to this method because it combines income with long-term growth. Unlike trading or speculation, dividend growth investing rewards patience and consistency. Some of the most popular industries for dividend growth include utilities, consumer staples, healthcare, and financials, sectors with steady cash flow and proven business models. The best part: you don't need to be rich to start. With commission-free investing platforms and fractional shares, you can begin with as little as $10. Many companies on the Dividend Aristocrats or Dividend Kings list have a strong history of increasing their payouts for 25 years or more, making them ideal for building a solid, low-maintenance portfolio. Additionally, dividend income is generally more stable than stock prices. Even if the market dips, companies with strong fundamentals often continue paying, and even increasing, the dividends. That makes this strategy perfect for people who want to generate steady income in retirement or simply want extra cash flow without constantly watching the market. In a world full of flashy, short-term investment trends, dividend growth investing is a reminder that wealth is often built slowly and steadily. With the right picks and a long-term mindset, you can create a stream of income that grows with you, year after year, quietly building your financial freedom in the background. In 2025, selling digital products and online courses has become one of the most powerful ways to build passive income. The reason is simple: digital products require no physical inventory, no shipping, and no handling. You create them once, and they can be sold an unlimited number of times to people all over the world. Digital products can take many forms. Think about ebooks, printables, templates, photography presets, stock music, or digital art. If you have a skill or knowledge that others find valuable, you can turn it into something people are willing to pay for. For example, a well-designed budgeting spreadsheet can earn you consistent monthly income if it solves a real problem for people. Online courses are another excellent option. If you're good at something, like graphic design, personal finance, cooking, or even video editing, you can record yourself teaching it and turn those lessons into a course. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable handle the technical parts for you, such as hosting videos, processing payments, and delivering the content to students. The beauty of this model is that it works while you sleep. Once your product or course is live, anyone from any time zone can make a purchase. You might wake up in the morning and find new income waiting for you, all because of work you did weeks or even months ago. In 2025, the tools available to help you build and market your digital products are easier to use than ever. You don't need to be an expert in design or coding. With drag-and-drop editors and pre-built templates, you can create professional-looking products with minimal effort. What really makes digital products and courses powerful is scalability. Whether 10 people buy your course or 10,000, your cost remains almost the same. There's no need to produce more units or hire more staff. That's what makes this method perfect for building long-term, passive income. So if you're looking for a creative and scalable way to earn in 2025, start thinking about the knowledge or tools you can offer the world. One digital product could change your financial future, not just for today, but for years to come. In 2025, real estate remains one of the most dependable ways to build wealth, but thanks to real estate crowdfunding, you no longer need to be a millionaire to get started. Crowdfunding platforms have opened the doors for everyday investors to earn passive income from property without having to buy, manage, or maintain real estate on their own. Here's how it works. Instead of buying an entire building or house, you invest a small amount of money into a large real estate project alongside hundreds or even thousands of other investors. These projects can range from residential apartments to commercial office spaces, hotels, or even warehouses. As the property generates income, through rent or appreciation, you earn a share of the profits based on how much you invested. This method has become incredibly popular in 2025 because it's low barrier, low effort, and high potential. Many crowdfunding platforms now allow you to start with as little as $100. That means you can start building a diversified real estate portfolio without taking out a mortgage or worrying about tenants, plumbing problems, or property taxes.